All right, so framing continues here with this brand new ADU we're building here in West Los Angeles. It's kind of nice. We have a little cloud cover today, and otherwise, I'm not complaining about the sun, but it does beat down on us quite intensely at times. And today it's a nice temperature, and the overcast gives it a nice working environment to frame in. Working outside at any given time. You don't want to be in the sun for too long. Anyway, check out the framing. We're moving on, and we've got some of the first floor framed, and I'll keep showing you step by step. All right, we'll be back in a little later to keep showing you the progress. Out for now.